In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to help you create prompts for Midjourney. Here, I opened a basic ChatGPT 3.5 window. This is what you see when you use the free version of ChatGPT. I will first show you an example using ChatGPT 3.5, then, to show you the difference, I will switch to ChatGPT 4.0, which is a paying version, available for $20 American a month. This version allows you to browse, create, and use other GPTs, but we will look at this later. If you like this video, we would love you to hit the like button, and if you are interested in AI, it would be amazing if you could subscribe to our channel and choose the bell to be alerted every time we post a new video. Let's type this instruction in ChatGPT 3.5. Help me create an amazing prompt for the AI art generator Midjourney. I want to be able to generate images of hyper-realistic lifelike cocktails. Cocktails that would make the viewer want to drink and order one of those cocktails. Then click Enter. ChatGPT replies with various tips and advice about how to generate the perfect cocktail prompt, and I will use some of the wording to make my instructions more precise. And thus, I will copy 2 sentences from ChatGPT first answer to enhance my instruction. You're a renowned mixologist, showcasing your latest and most innovative cocktail creations. And emphasize the details that make each cocktail visually appealing, from the shimmering ice cubes to the subtle condensation on the glass. Then click Enter. ChatGPT now answers with a detailed response, various bullet points, and an example prompt for you to use at the bottom. Highlight the prompt, copy it, and head to Midjourney to try it out. Type /imagine and press Enter and input the prompt in the prompt window. Tidy the prompt to be more Midjourney friendly and add the necessary settings at the end of the prompt. These days, to get lifelike images, I tend to always add the version 6 at the moment, followed by the landscape aspect 16:9, S 750 for better style, and style raw. Then click Enter. Midjourney now generates the cocktail we asked for through the prompt generated by ChatGPT 3.5. It looks good enough to me, apart maybe from the bottom right one that looks inverted. Great. Let's now head to ChatGPT 4.0, which I have opened in a different window. If I click the drop-down list, you will see the GPTs I use the most, and we will use the top one for this video as it has more than 50,000 users. But if you want to look for a different version of GPT, type the @ symbol followed by Midjourney or MJ in the search window, and you will be given a selection of results. I will now use the same original instruction I had written to use in ChatGPT 3.5 and paste it into this version of ChatGPT, and press Enter. Now this GPT answer is a totally different ballgame. The MJ prompt generator, V6 GPT, first explains its reasoning for creating its prompts and will offer you 5 different prompts that will prove to be able to generate super intricate and detailed images. Also, you can see that the prompts are restituted in dedicated code windows. The beauty of those is that you can highlight the code, copy it, and paste it in a /imagine input window, or just use the copy code option in the top right corner of each code box, and then simply just paste it into Midjourney without having to type /imagine. For this video, I will click Copy Code and paste the code of each prompt one after the other, so as not to waste time and wait for each prompt to generate its respective image before pasting a new one. That way, you will see the image appearing in real time. In the version of Midjourney I am subscribed to, I can only run 3 consecutive jobs, hence why the jobs are showing as queued when there are already 3 of them being generated. Thus, when an image has finished generating, it will appear at the very bottom under the queued jobs. You can see that those cocktail images are quite different and varied compared with the first ones we generated with the free version of ChatGPT. To now try and better those cocktail images, I get back to ChatGPT 4.0 and type in the input field. Thank you for these amazing creations. Could you make the prompt more hyper-realistic and lifelike and add version 6, landscape aspect 16:9, stylized setting S750 and style raw at the end of the prompts? And press enter. ChatGPT then comes up with a different explanation to tell me how it will better those images and generate 5 more prompts. I will then use copy code again and paste those prompts one after the other to generate the prompt's images. If you like this video, we would love you to hit the like button, and if you are interested in AI, it would be amazing if you could subscribe to our channel and choose the bell to be alerted every time we post a new video. You can see that there is a definite improvement to the previous images. We are a long way away from our very first cocktail image generation. Make sure not to miss my next video where I will show you how to make money with Midjourney, and it includes using what we just learned in this video in one of the examples.